He turned the forge into a rail-born dream. Iron tracks across a cold dust stream. Stephenson raised his eyes, not just machines. He built a line where none had been. September smoke in Darlington, a crowd roar, the engine shun. But wheels caught spark, the journey spun, and history broke into a run. Railers on fire, steam in the veins, new world rising from soot and chains. Railers on fire, nothing remains, the age of silence breaks with trains. 12 wagons pulled a ghost-made steel, with trembling might and shrieking wheel. They watched in awe, they gasped and kneeled, a moving forge upon the field. No kings aboard, no throne, no crown, just soot-faced workers rolling down. A voice of thunder shook the town, and nothing could hold progress now. Rails of fire, steam in the veins, new world rising from soot and chains. Rails of fire, nothing remains, the age of silence breaks with trains. From Stockton line to Liverpool, where passengers became the rule, the rail became the nation's tool. A force of fire, cold and cruel, no need for roads when steel is fate. No horse could match that roaring weight. Commerce speed, a future gate that locked the past outside too late. Fire, steam in the veins, new world rising from soot and chains. Railers of fire, nothing remains, the age of silence breaks with trains. In 1825, the Locomotion No. 1 ran its first voyage on the Stockton and Darlington Railway. A 12-mile stretch that rewrote the laws of motion. George Stephenson's engine hauled both coal and men, blurring the line between industry and travel. The public watched with awe and fear. Smoke, speed, and the scream of pressure challenged every idea of what the world could be. 5 years later, in 1830, the Liverpool and Manchester Railway opened as the first true intercity passenger line. It ran to a schedule, it charged a fare, and it killed a man. MP William Huskisson, struck by a train he thought too slow to fear. But there was no turning back. By the 1840s, railways were Europe's arteries. The age of steam had arrived, and with it, the end of isolation. No horse can halt a burning track, no field remains when wheels attack. The rails once lay, they don't turn back. The world moved on and never lacked. Rows of fire, steam in the veins, new world rising from soot and chains. Rows of fire, nothing remains, the age of silence breaks with trains. And it roared, till the still world was no more.